Yeah, so with 365, we just found it on an Instagram ad. We like it because it's a local Texas company, and all the reviews were really outstanding. All the YouTube videos were really helpful. They're really easy to work with when we did decide to go with them, and really it was just a quality product at really what I thought against all the other invoices that we got it was affordable. It was right within where we wanted to be budget-wise too, but the quality is outstanding. Yeah, so the putting green was definitely my idea. We want this space, we really wanted a space that we could enjoy and use, where before we just could do nothing out here because grass wouldn't grow. I think it's nice to have it out there, it's entertaining, it's a talking piece, and it looks great, and again, the quality is fantastic. The ball roll is wonderful on it. Really, 365 custom turfing is the one to go with, in my opinion. We were just thrilled. If you're looking for turf, I would definitely check them out and have them come out and get a quote.